This is Earth, a blue pearl in the middle of nothingness. Well, in fact, there are a lot of Earth-like planets, around 50 billion in our galaxy, and we have 2 of them next door. But what makes this seemingly ordinary terrestrial planet so special? And that, mon ami, is because of this. Oh wait, wrong picture. This is what makes our planet so special, so rare, and maybe unique in the whole universe. Life, mon ami, it's life. From small ones to big ones, moving ones to standing ones, dumb ones to smart ones, cute ones to not so cute ones. The list goes on and on. Scientists estimate that there are around 8.7 million species now live on Earth. Animals, plants, fungi, bacteria, and other life forms. Earth is a planet teeming with life. And to remember and highlight the importance of this diversity, since 2000, the United Nations has chosen the 22nd of May as the International Day of Biological Diversity. Because all species are interconnected. They depend on one another. We depend on other species. The more biodiversity the world possesses, the more resilient and stable it will be. The less, remember this smart species that I told you about before? Turns out, boys, did they, or we, mess up with the environment, climate change, overexploitation, natural habitat destruction. That's why the International Day of Biological Diversity is also a call for action. From the Convention on Biological Diversity signed by 196 nations to the Kunming-Montreal framework that sets out an ambitious pathway to reach the global vision of a world living in harmony with nature by 2050, a lot has been done to slow down the biodiversity loss, but more is needed, much more, and we need it now. Our organization, praxisgreece, plays our part by organizing a school activity on the occasion of the International Day of Biological Diversity. Nothing works better than education. We went to a primary school in the city and spent time with a class of 13, 11-year-old students. We discussed biodiversity and its importance in our lives. Through games, we learn about species and their habitats. These students, even at their young age, understand really well the importance of protecting nature and biodiversity. And then, we create a workshop to create an origami butterfly. In addition to making an origami butterfly, we asked the kids to write an action that they can do to protect biodiversity and the environment. From cleaning trash, planting flowers, to recycling, multiple different ideas have been written on paper. In the end, look at the work of art that we have created. We are so proud of them. It was such a good experience for us, volunteers, and we hope the kids also feel the same way. For that, we want to thank the class teacher, Miss Matula, every volunteer, our boss, Georgia, and most of all, the students in the 6th Primary School of Sayres that has made this event possible. Until the next event, don't forget to protect the environment, even with your daily actions.